I'm doing another vlog where I'm working. This is like a school day in my life. I don't have class today, but I have an assignment due tomorrow morning and I have an assignment due on Friday evening. And I haven't started either. Well, I did start my I have my sociology paper due on Friday, which I kind of started, but like not really. I've been like, not in the best place mentally, and I don't want to talk about it, but what I'm doing right now is like I have all my devices on do not disturb. I'm playing music and writing down the points I want to make in my essay and just like research that I can refer back to. That way it's already written in my own words and it's organized somewhat by like what we're talking about. I have a timer set for an hour and a half, and then in an hour and a half I'm gonna let myself go on a walk to Starbucks, and at Starbucks I'm gonna continue working on my paper, but at least I'll have a change of scenery and I can have coffee. I'm trying to balance how much coffee I drink, but I still obviously need the caffeine. It's unhealthy. So I made myself a chai latte. I'm just gonna listen to some music. My playlist, I don't have like a specific study playlist. I'm really not organized in my playlist. I just have a big playlist with songs that I'm currently enjoying that's been kind of the same since last November, but I guess I can link it below. It's not like study vibes. My brain doesn't work that way. I can't have like calming music because then it calms me down too much. I have to have something that like triggers me to work, I guess. I don't know. I'm just gonna continue working and you guys can watch, I guess. It's only been about half an hour, but I'm starting to get hungry. So I think I'm gonna make some bacon and eggs. I have some bacon I need to finish. No, you know what? I'm not gonna make bacon and eggs. I'm just gonna eat my lunch. I have Caesar salad and a Beyond Burger and cauliflower tots that I made for dinner last night. So I'm just gonna eat that because I'm so beyond lazy. I'm awful and didn't update you guys as to what I was doing right there. After I ate, I decided to go to Starbucks, and those are the next few clips you're gonna see. So I haven't like updated you guys, but when I was at Starbucks earlier, I noticed the sky was a little dark and I was like, is it gonna start raining? And I was like, no, like the sky's blue over there, the wind's going in the opposite direction, whatever. It's not gonna start raining. But I decided I'd been there for like 2 hours or so, and I was like, okay, well, I kind of want to go home anyways. So I went to the pharmacy to pick up my prescription and a couple other things, and I went to go leave the pharmacy and it was pouring rain. So that wasn't fun at all. I had to, like, we had tornado warnings. Like, it was torrential raining. Like, crazy. And at one point I got so sick and tired of waiting that I just like decided to walk home in the rain. And like, the raindrops were painful. They were painful. They hurt. I was so soaked. Like, I'm still like mostly so wet, and I've been home for 2 hours. That was fun, I guess. When I got home, I made dinner. It was an early dinner, but I was really hungry, so I just made myself tofu stir fry with cauliflower rice, so that was good. And right now I'm just kind of chilling. I have laundry going, and I'm gonna do my screenwriting assignment. now a lot later. What time is it? It's 7:30, so it's not like late, but it's kind of late considering I've been doing homework nonstop since 11 a.m. except for, of course, the like half an hour where I was waiting at Shoppers Drug Mart and then ran home in the rain. That was my cardio for the day. I'm hoping to go for a walk later. I feel very tense, so that's what I've been doing a lot recently. I'm just waiting for my laundry to finish so I can make my bed. I didn't really explain what the project I'm doing is. I basically had to deconstruct an episode of Doctor Who, and what I'm referring to here is the presentation process. I didn't explain it well, so I'm just coming in to clear some things up. I have to film myself presenting it, so I'm gonna do that in the morning because it's not due until 2, so I'll just read through what I wrote here, add a few tidbits, and hopefully that will suffice. I'm just waiting for my sheets to be done so I can remake my bed. I'm wearing the exact same outfit as yesterday. I have my iced chai latte. I just actually finished recording my presentation. I didn't film it because I was very stressed out. And so now I'm gonna put that away. That's all done and dusted. I'll need those notes tonight. But the main bit is done. So I'm gonna continue. I have a screenplay due. I have the first scene and the last scene of my screenplay due, and I didn't realize that until yesterday. So I'm going to work on that. Is that we can't be friends because you never play by the rules. I'm literally just such an awful vlogger. I didn't finish this video, but just popping in to say thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it like motivated you in some sense to like get your butt in gear, but if not, I feel that. If you did enjoy, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe below if you'd like, because that would be fun. We can have a good time. And yeah, I'm sorry I didn't upload on Wednesday, and I will see you on next Wednesday. Okay, goodbye.